Bloomfield Homes is proud to present the Willow floor plan to the Element series of homes. The Willow features over 1,800 square feet with the one-story option. Add the second floor and the home jumps to over 2,500 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a game room, and flex space. Right as you enter the home, you're greeted with a second dining room that could also be used as a home office or even a second living area. The Willow has a really open floor plan with an incredible design and is full of upgrades, built-in cabinets with hardware, stainless steel appliances, glass vent-a-hood, and loads of windows to bring in natural light. You'll love the spacious primary suite with a large walk-in closet and oversized shower. One of the highlights is the large secondary bedroom with walk-in closet. There's also an outdoor living area with an included covered back patio. The Element series is all about contemporary design at an affordable price.